القصص للأطفال.
5 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out to play in the pond. They splashed all day. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went for a glide, riding the current side by side. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks swam near the shore, chasing bubbles, what fun galore. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck swam all alone, exploring the reeds far from home. Mama duck called quack, 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 but no little ducks came swimming back.